Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. Yeah, so guys, in this video today, I'm showing you guys how you can earn or make 10,000 naira from PALMPAY for free. Now, PALMPAY is giving out 10,000 naira to people for free. So far, so good. On today's payout, they've paid about 1.460 million naira to people for free. Like, you don't need any investment, it is for free. So stick with me to the end of this video. Now, if you're new, if you're just seeing our video for the first time, thank you and welcome. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, we'll love you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We appreciate with you guys. We appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you. So as you can see, let me just show you the evidence of all the payments. Is the payment hierarchy. You understand? This is the payment hierarchy, like how they pay their earners, and it is legit. A lot of people are testifying to it. Some have even withdrawn maybe like 40, 50k. It's even trending on TikTok and on everywhere. You understand? So the first thing you do is to download their app. Is this update is just for 3 days, so be fast about it. Sign up. I'll be dropping the invitation code up. The only thing you'll be doing for me is to use my invitation code. Once you use my invitation code, aside the 10,000 naira, you also get an extra 1,000 naira for signing up with my invitation code. Now, I'm not asking you for any money. I'm just asking you to type in the invitation code showing on the screen or the invitation code in the description box. So the first thing you need to do is you need to minimize your browser. Once you minimize your browser, you come on Play Store or Chrome Store, Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iPhone user. Now you type in PALMPAY. This is simply how you can download their app, and you type in PALMPAY. Now, if this is your first time, it will ask you to install. So you click on install. If you have it on your phone like I do, it will ask you to open. So you click on this open. Now this is how it will look like if you are logged in already. But for the sake of those that will register, that are trying to register, will be signing up here now. So after you log out, sorry, this is how the sign up form will look like. So these are basically the details you will need to input. Your phone number. Then once you input your phone number, they will send you a verification code. Once you get the verification code, you input the verification code, and you input your first legal name and your last legal name, which is your surname. Now, please note, this is a warning. If your name is cute baby, leave that cute baby, leave it aside. Use the name that you have on your bank account, like your legal name. You understand? If you're bearing Ngozi Chukwuka, use Ngozi Chukwuka. If you are bearing Bidemi Babajide, use Bidemi Babajide. Don't use Bides. If you are bearing Haruna Abubakar, use Haruna Abubakar. Don't use Aruz Baba. You understand? Use your real name, because it is only when you use your real name that you will be able to withdraw your money into your local bank account, or send it to a POS, or transfer it to anywhere you want it. Now the next thing is you click whether you're a male or a female. You click on it, you input your date of birth. Now this invitation code, this is the point. This is the point, because this invitation code will enable you to get the money, and it will enable you to also get an extra 1,000 naira using my invitation code, which will be on the screen showing right now, or it will be in the description box. So once, before you click on the link, just copy the invitation code. I'm not asking you to give me a penny, but please use my invitation code. At least appreciate me, it will go a long way. You understand? So then you hit the sign up button. So once you hit the sign up button, the first thing you get is you get the 1,000 naira. Once you get the 1000 naira, you also be able to go into it. Let me just show you guys. So once you hit on the sign up, this is how the platform will look like. You understand? Now the first thing you need to do is on this their banner display around here. You understand? You need to look for the banner that says get 10,000 naira for free. Now once you look for the banner that says get 10,000 naira for free, you have to click on the banner. So you need to scroll. See, you click on it like this banner displaying here. You click on it, you scroll it. This is a particular one. It says ready to win big, grab 10,000 naira cash. You click on it. Once you click on it, this is what you see. So you can win 10,000 naira. You win 10,000 naira. It is as simple as that. All you need to do is to refer like 10 or 12 of your friends to sign up using your invitation code. Once you, in fact, you can, gist with your friends and tell them that, okay, once you use my invitation code, I promise you guys recharge card of 500 naira. You understand? So that they will use your invitation code to sign up. Now that invitation code, once 12 people register without invitation code, you get 10,000 naira direct into this your bank account. No mago mago. But for them to sign up, you need to share your invitation code and link with them. Sorry, now this particular promo ends in 2 days, but after 2 days you only be able to get at least 1000 naira from the platform. You understand? But if you're seeing it today, you'll be able to make your 10,000 naira and an extra 1000 naira. So just click on this invite and earn. Now once you click on invite and earn, you can copy your invitation code. You can copy your invitation code. If you don't want to copy it, you just click on invite now. So now you share your invitation code and your link to all your friends. As you can see, maybe on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, you ask them to sign up using your invitation code. So once they sign up using your invitation code, you get your 10,000 naira free. You get it for free. Now these are people that are earning, these are people that are winning 10,000 naira. I know of someone on Instagram, on TikTok, that is winning 50k. Like she keeps inviting people. If you have a big fan base, like a big subscriber base, at least you win nothing less than 100k from this promo. You understand? So it is quite easy. Just sign up, share your invitation code with your friends and family and ask them to sign up. Now they are not depositing anything, so it is for free. You understand? It is for free. And a lot of people have even signed up on this particular platform without getting a penny from it. So these are people that are making money every minute from it. 10,000 naira being paid to their local bank account for free. And as you can see, this is dated May 16, which is still recent. This is dated May 17, May 16, May 18. It keeps going on and on and on like that. And so far so good. They have paid 1,460,000 naira to people. They have paid out 1,460,000 naira to people. So what are you waiting for? Please use the invitation code that you're seeing up here, input it and sign up. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you so much. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.